Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. I haven't seen you guys since last year, so happy new year, and I really hope everybody had a wonderful holiday season. But here we are in 2024, so I really hope it's a wonderful year for all of us. So for today's recipe, I'm going to show you guys how to make a recipe that I make all the time. A couple of years ago I bought an air fryer and I love it, and I use it probably more than I use my oven. And I want to show you guys how to make a lemon pepper chicken. It's really good, it's really delicious, and if you want to see how I make mine, then stick around. But before we get started, now look, if you guys like to cook, and if you like to cook using simple ingredients, then I will highly consider you subscribe to my channel right now, and don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I'm going to begin by chopping up 4 garlic cloves. I'm just going to take the skin off and just take my knife and just give it a good rough chop. So I'm done chopping up my garlic and I'm just going to set it to the side. And of course we're having lemon pepper chicken, and I'm going to take my grater and I'm going to go ahead and zest 1 lemon. And I love lemon because it really adds a lot of brightness to whatever dish that you add it to. So I'm done zesting my lemon, and this is going to add a lot of great flavors. So let me get started on my chicken. So I have 4 skinless chicken breasts, and I know they're kind of not the same size, but it's okay, we're going to work with it. And as you can see, I'm just going to cut them and I'm going to cube them, and I'm going to make sure that all the sizes are around the same size, just so that when they cook, they all cook at the same time. So my chicken is cubed and ready to go, so I'm ready to add a lot of amazing flavors. So of course, 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper, a tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of sea salt, and the lemon zest that I grated up earlier, and also the chopped garlic. And to add some spiciness to the chicken, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. And at the very end, I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. And now I'm just going to take my tongs and just mix everything together, making sure that all the chicken is really coated really well. So I'm going to set it to the side, and now I'm going to get started on the butter sauce. So I melted 1 stick of butter, and I'm going to add a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Again, for a little spice, a tablespoon of hot sauce, and a little sweetness, 2 teaspoons of some honey. And at the very end, a dash of salt, and just mix everything together. You can see that I've made all the flavors consistent with the flavors that I put on the chicken. So I went ahead and I soaked some skewers in some water just so that they don't burn when I cook them. And now I'm just going to add around 6 or 7 chicken cubes to each skewer. So this is what the lemon pepper chicken is looking like, so let's head on over to the air fryer. So first I'm just going to take out the basket, and before I put the chicken in, I'm just going to lay some parchment paper on the bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and cook 3 skewers at a time, and I really don't want to overcrowd them because I don't want them to steam. And so I'm just going to go ahead and put the basket back into the air fryer, and I'm going to cook them at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'm going to take the chicken out and I'm going to brush it with that yummy butter mixture that I mixed up earlier, and I'm going to let them cook for another 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to flip them over and I'm going to continue to brush them with that butter mixture, and I'm going to continue to cook them for another 5 to 6 minutes or until the chicken is completely done. Okay, so my chicken is all done. I'm just going to put them on a plate, and look how beautiful and golden brown they look. They are cooked perfectly. So I just decided to take the lemon pepper chicken off the skewer and enjoy it with a bowl of rice, or you can enjoy whatever side dish that you like. This chicken is packed with so many amazing flavors, and it takes no time to make in your air fryer, and make sure to enjoy it while it's nice and hot. But we are all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.